Ladies and progress, in my previous video I make a quick tutorial how I destroyed Microsoft homepage by making his clone. But in this video we're gonna destroy what another richest company in the world, Apple. Let's not waste any more time and go to my Explorer, and here we should open apple.com and index, of course, index. And as you can see, it's fully cloned of the Apple website. As you can see, here is 3 parts about the watch, iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Pro, and I made a little bit responsibility for this site too. Not fully, I know that, but a little bit I have here responsibility. So how I do that, I'm gonna show you in the case of the VS Code, and as you can see, it's most simple HTML, CSS and JavaScript. We have a header section and container. Problem is in that no any kind of CSS framework. Well, I'm gonna start from this point that inside of one navbar we have 2 wheels. Both of them are different. We have one wheel for a mobile version and one wheel for large version, desktops and big PC monitors, whatever you want actually. In large one we have a lot of text, watch, music and blah blah blah. Whether in mobile version we have just 2 spans and 2 links. As you can see, what I must like about this navbar that just look at this magic which happens. He have a transparency, he have a blur behind all them, and it looks awesome when it comes to this kind of colorful places in your website. But when it comes to the responsibility, I'm sure why, because I spent nearly 14 hours to just debug and come to this result which you can see. But well, as you can guess, what comes to our first section, this is just text, link and background image. Let me show you in real code. This one, we have a section, we have a container and div for all of the text which are in general inside of him, and div for all of our links and how it looks in real life. This sort of magic happens just with the help of a few lines of code. And of course we give it a little bit font size, color, margins, bottoms and hover effects, so it comes to this sort of result like this one. And as you can guess, there same thing happened with our second section, iPhone 11, and with the section of the watch. They are actually the same, idea is the same. If you have a H1, you have a sub H1, you have a little bit few information about the costs this product and links to learn more and of course buy. And here one of the most interesting information is that this Apple Watch Series 5 tags are not actually tags. Let me show you. This is a photo which you can download if you want. Well, just let me show you the original apple.com website. What you see here is the same idea that you have H1. Actually, problem is in that what all of this section are linked. Every time you press on this text, photo, whatever you want, you're gonna paste it to buy this product. This is actually where happened Apple's magic, because when I made a Microsoft.com website, there was no any sort of this kind of thing. And what I wanted to tell you next point is the responsibility for all of these sections. They're incredible when I reached that information what actually in apple.com website, in original website, there are different photos for all of the sections. Look. And what we see, they are changing background image too. When size of your screen are changing, things happen not only with the font, text and all of those parts inside which actually should change, then change even the background photo to make it experience deeper. And the same thing happens actually with for big screens. There are much bigger photos. Exactly what I tried in my case too. So as you can see in my website, we have a large screen, smaller, and else smaller. At this point, I wanted to make a little bit teaser that I want to make the same thing with the Apple AirPods Pro website. This is exactly that website which really blew up front-end development. So if you want to watch this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn off notifications so you will not miss this video. You think that is all? No, this kind of. Watch my previous video about how I destroyed Microsoft and make his website from 0 to hero. And thank you guys for watching this video. Bye bye.